with City Collector Presentation. I'm Paul, and this one, we got a funky car, we got a Volkswagen, we got a hatchback. Not necessarily in that order. We start with the Volkswagen. It's the Jetta Majorette from the Slug Bug series, the purple and white. It's the only one they had when I went to that store. I've never seen one with this sticker. Maybe I don't see them that often, but it was out of town, so Walmart, they happen to have one from the series. And as you know, they have suspension. I believe they have a moving part. Open door, which I should have got one minute. Little grabby jobbies. There we go. The little back door opens. Got deco all around. Tempo taillights. Tempo front end. Oh, lens headlights. Windshield wipers on embossed in the windows. Black plastic base. Don't care for the black the black wheels, but the Volkswagen Transporter. Do like this casting. Do like the Majorettes. Wish we could get them more readily in this country. Next, we got one of the funky cars from the Matchbox this year. Is it Renault? These things. A 2022 Renault Twizy. It's a city car. I assume it's probably electric. I don't look up the cars before I buy them or do any research on the actual cars. I just buy what I like. And I do like my European cars, and the funkier the better. City cars I like because I'm from the city. Got the front end, badging and lights. Metal, the blue part's metal. The windshield makes up the bottom part of it. Yep. That. One funky little tail light. Renault bed and the Twizy logo. Good chrome 6 spokes. And there's a base if you're interested. Cute little car. Little oddball. And lastly, from Disney's Pixar Cars, the On the Road series, we have Greebles, I believe that's what it says. And you know that as the AMC Gremlin, I believe it is. For some reason I was getting the Gremlin and the Pacer. Gremlin and the Pacer confused, but I think this is the Gremlin. I should know that. I am. The base does not tell me, but it is a clown. I don't know anything about Disney's Pixar cars. I don't think I saw one or two of the movies because I'm an adult and children. It's got sort of a tiger look with a clown face. There's sort of a tiger strip on the top. Nice eyeballs. Chuckly clown, clown mouth, clown nose. Nice looking yellow 5 spokes. I believe I have one other of that car. Let me see the back. It does tell me it is what I believe it is what I say it was. But I'm gonna go get the Motor Max first, cherry. And I'm gonna say yep. It is in fact the AMC Gremlin, and they're roughly the same size, roughly the same scale. So there you got an actual looking. Come on, man, don't die on me. Actual AMC Gremlin, which is a little dusty because it's on a shelf, and the Disney Pixar Cars version. And you may have already seen it on my Instagram. And I guarantee you, I know what Charles Diecast Garage is gonna say. He already thought that was cute, and I just wait till I open up out of the package. So these were the out of town finds from a local Target and Walmart. Because I got a Target gift card I'm trying to blow. Believe me, it's not easy. We don't get a lot of turnover in our stores, or I miss all the good stuff. But anywho, that's what I found. Thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and never leave a dub behind. Goodbye.